Today we're going to repair the second lamp for the bedroom. This is as received condition. The cord, I don't know if it was cut or broke or whatever happened. It looks kind of like a brute force break, if you will. You know, it's not a clean cut like if you used cutters or something. Okay, where is it in the frame? There it is. See, it's kind of like it's a very poor cut, so I think it like something fell on it or whatever. I don't know. This is what I received, so we'll just tack this back on. I'm going to solder it and then we'll shrink it. Do a shrink on either side, then one overall. The cord is, oh geez, the cord might be too short now. It'll just barely reach into the outlet. Well, this gets even more bizarre now because that probably isn't the original length. Okay, well, let's just see if we can get it to work for now, and then I'll have to do some more repair later. The bottom of this lamp it's all felt, you know, so it doesn't, I don't think it's easily going to come off. I don't feel like messing with that right now. Those cutters don't work correctly anymore. I think that might have been a result of user error, I'm not certain. I'll just give this a good clean end to start with. We'll do the same here, although we can't afford to lose much because there's not much to work with. So we'll just go back only as far as absolutely necessary to get a good starting point. Now we need to split this down the middle. Okay. This wire is probably 16. Yep, 16 too. This is going to be a really tricky, really sketchy situation here. Maybe if I move it to the edge of the table, it'll be a little bit easier. Okay, that was probably the worst part. I don't think that this wire doesn't have identifying. Yeah, it does. Okay, so the wiring. Yeah, one's like square and one's more round. I'll twist this together the best I can here, and then we'll fill the rest in with the solder. It's not really going to stay. It's not staying at all. There really should be some kind of physical connection here, I think. Alright, that'll work. Soldering iron is not the temperature I want because I can't find the control mechanism. I know it's over here. I've seen it since I've been here, but I don't know where it is in this particular moment. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Yeah, that'll work. The tricky part is trying to make sure these are exactly the same length so it doesn't sit all funky. Oh, I just noticed there's all damage on the side there. So it definitely was some kind of a brute force. Something fell on it, or it fell on the cord, or I don't know. I mean, you never know what happened. Alright, that works for me. Now we'll just slide these, make sure there's no sharp points there that I'll cut through. I don't feel anything. No, it seems fine. Okay. And then we'll just shrink this using the heat of the soldering iron. Since it's at full blast, it should go pretty quick. Okay. then just for aesthetics, we'll slip this one over if it fits. I hope it fits. It's going to be really tight. Come on, bro, get on there. I should have let it sit for another minute before I started pushing it up there. I think it just shrank a hair from the residual heat. Alright, that's good enough. Okay, that'll work for now. That's good enough. It's not that unsightly. In fact, it's kind of hard to tell that it's like that. Let me go ahead and grab a light bulb and we'll just make sure that it works. I'll grab an incandescent light bulb. It's all crooked. This definitely fell or something happened to this at some point. Beautiful. Okay. The lamp is fixed. Perhaps someday I'll replace the cord, or maybe just whatever. I think it's good enough for now.